Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Blackboard, access online classroom step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser on your computer or mobile device. Check that you have a stable internet connection before you continue. In the address bar, type the official Blackboard login URL provided by your school. If you do not know the URL, visit your school's website and look for Blackboard or LMS. Press Enter to load the Blackboard sign-in page. Confirm you are on the correct page by checking your school name or logo on the screen. Locate the username or student ID field. Click the username field and type your username exactly as given by your institution. Locate the password field below the username area. Click the password field and type your password carefully, respecting uppercase and lowercase letters. If there is a show password option, use it to verify your typing if needed. Do not enable Remember Me on public or shared computers. Click the Login or Sign In button to proceed. If prompted, complete any two-factor authentication step, such as a code sent to your phone or email. Wait for the Blackboard dashboard or landing page to load fully. If you are asked to accept terms or update your profile, follow the on-screen instructions. Find the Courses or My Courses section on the main page. Click the course you want to open to enter the online classroom. On the course menu, select Content, Learning Modules, or a similar area to view materials. Click Announcements to read important updates from your instructor. Open Assignments to view tasks, due dates, and submission instructions. Use the Grades section to check your scores and feedback when available. If you need to join a live session, look for Collaborate Ultra, Zoom, or Meetings in the course menu. If you do not see your course, refresh the page and confirm you are enrolled for the correct term. If login fails, recheck your username and password for typos and try again. If you forgot your password, click Forgot Password or use your school's password reset portal. If the site will not load, try a different browser or clear your browser cache and cookies. For ongoing access issues, contact your school's IT help desk and provide a screenshot or exact error message. Subscribe to the channel and like the video to support more clear Blackboard tutorials. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.